How to heat seal a Mylar bag using the Avid Armor A100 Gen 2 vacuum sealer. One of the things that you can do with the A100 is you can heat seal Mylar bags using the adjustable seal time setting on the Avid Armor A100. Now, keep in mind that you can't vacuum the Mylar bags if they don't have the embossed texture. So for this demonstration, we're using an Avid Armor 8x12 Mylar bag that does not have embossed texture. So this will just show you how you can seal it. If you want there to be no air, there's some hacks. You can vacuum seal in a regular bag and then place in the Mylar bag. You can use an oxygen absorber and then go ahead and seal the bag. So we'll just go ahead and show you. This is some beans in a 8x12 vacuum sealer bag. We'll go ahead and expel as much air as possible. Again, if you have an oxygen absorber, you can go ahead and place that in the bag, and then all you have to do is place the opening in that vacuum channel, and then we're going to change our seal time setting all the way up to a 6. This is the highest setting on the A100 for the seal time, and then all we have to do technically, since it doesn't vacuum, is press the seal button. Once it's complete, we'll go ahead, take it out. You can see that it's not vacuumed. Remember, this is not a suction Mylar bag, so it won't vacuum, but we do have a beautiful heat seal on that bag that is going to keep that bag closed for many, many, many years. Now that bag is ready for storage.